Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, a safe day. Let's make it a great week, folks. To master love, you have to practice love. The art of relationship is whole mastery, and the only way to reach mastery is with practice. To master a relationship is therefore about action. It is not about attaining knowledge. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 77, NASDAQ off 2, S&P's down 5, gold contract down $9.10, trading at $1,322 an ounce. Silver down 10 cents at $19.58 an ounce. Platinum flat at $1,083. Copper down a penny and a half at $2.21 a pound. Light sweet crude off $1.14, $43.05 a barrel. Oil is going after this $40 level, folks. We'll see what happens when we get down there, but that's what it's doing. We had an expansion of volume, wide price spread, all of the above. Bonds, 10-year note down 3 ticks, 132 even. 30-year bond down 1 tick, 171.19. Now, both the 10 and the 30 look that they want to go back to where they broke topside from on the 24th. And what I expect that's going to be all about, more than likely, is that we're going to see when the Fed comes out. The Fed starts a 2-day meeting tomorrow. We'll come out with a statement on Wednesday at 2 o'clock. No press conference. The statement's going to be the whole ball of wax. I suspect inside that statement they're going to be yapping that they want to go up on the rates again in December. I suspect they want to do that, but guess what? I don't think they're going to be able to do it. But the perception is, and their statement, I expect it's going to be in there. That's going to throw some turmoil in this marketplace. King dollar down 216 ticks, trading at 97.30. King dollar wants higher price. King dollar looks like it wants to get up into that 99, maybe 100. Euro's trading at $1.09, and the yen is at 105.79. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? We're hanging at these highs. You're at 216.65. Your ABC structure inside the SPY has a price projection of the 218.90. I expect we're going to see it. We're going to make it. That being said, we have an ABC structure also confirmed inside the NDX 100 as well as the NASDAQ composite, and we'll see how that shakes out. The 3 Qs are at 113. I have a hard time figuring out how they're going to get to 121. But guess what? Apple, Amazon, Google, and Facebook are coming out with numbers this week, and that just might do it. The composite, what do we have with the composite? And with the NASDAQ composite, what it did again, it's right at the highs, and it is actually pushing, the NDX 100 had weaker volume. The composite, it's not that it's strong volume, but it did uptick from Friday. So composite's 5,097. The price projection on that is 54.68. Volatility, man, we're going to have this out here in spades. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? What you have with gold is this, folks. Gold contract out here today, and we're going from the August contract to the December contract, and that'll be all this week. So the August contract today is down 850. You've done 251,000 contracts. You're going after this 1312 level, 1310 level. We hit 1311 out here today. What I expect you're going to see is that this contract wants to get into the 1280 area. Right now we're at 1315.20. If we go take a look at silver, what you have with silver is this. Silver came off the highs last week, had a little juice underneath it, nothing heavy. Silver is building cause. We're at $19.60. It looks to me like silver is building cause to get into this 1804 area. King dollar. And it's going to be about king dollar, folks, okay? So what you have with king dollar is this. King dollar is at 97.29. Your downdraft in February, the beginning of that downdraft was 98.91. What I expect you're going to see, king dollar is trying to make its way up to that level. And the kicker here inside of king dollar is that if we pull this up in a continuous contract, we put it back a bit, what you're going to see is that your first swing point is 98.59. If you make 98.59, this thing is going to go for 100. 160 is the next one. This is the same consolidation that the dollar has been trading in since February of 2015. So you're talking about, this is a long consolidation. And bottom line is that the last low that was established was May of this year. That's when we get down to 91.88. Rejected it. It's like, okay, you're going to go topside once again. And on a fundamental basis, what can make that thing just jam in a huge way would be the Fed saying once again that they still plan on going up on rates in December. And, you know, when you look at the basis of where we are in the marketplace and where we are with jobs, meaning the jobless rate is down, the market's at all-time highs, it's like, okay, what's going to be their excuse for not saying they're going to go up? I don't see it, you know. So that being said, however, I can see them saying it, and then guess what? As we're coming closer to December, same thing. Markets are going to fall apart. You know, Europe is still in tough shape. Then they just back down once again. The 10-year note. What do we have at the 10-year note? We're trading at 132.01. This is an ABC structure on the way down. This structure here, actually, you know, if we break this B point of 131.23, it actually looks like I can go lower than the 130.21 because your A point on this is 134.07. Your B is, let's see, I got a ballpark of 132, so that's only $2 actually. Yeah, yeah. No, that's where we'd go. 130. Your price projection would be at the beginning of that, which is the 130.21 area. Oil. What do we have with the oil market? Oil's taking some pressure, folks. What you have with the oil market is this. We went down $1.15 today. You're trading 369,000 contracts, which is some good juice on the way down. It's going after the swing point of $40.58. That was the swing low that was established out here on the 18th of April. You break that swing low, then oil could be in big trouble. Because if you break that swing low, the next lowest swing point is down at the 38.67 level. And of course, 38.67 under $40. That would basically raise some eyebrows. That would bring more selling inside the oil, natural gas sector in general. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there. We'll be coming back with some numbers. We get Khalid come out with numbers. That closed at 88.55. It's trading at 84.66 right now. San Mina come out with numbers. That closed at 29. That's trading at 26.68. We're going to be right back, folks.